In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView to paper trade. Paper trading is a safe, simulated way to practice strategies without risking real money. You'll use live charts, place realistic orders, and learn the platform, all in a protected environment. Start by logging into your TradingView account and opening a chart for the market you want to practice on: stocks, crypto, forex, or futures. Use the search at the top to pick your symbol, and make sure the chart shows the time frame you prefer so prices make sense for the style you're practicing. Next, look to the bottom of the chart for the trading panel. Click that tab to expand it. This panel is your command center for orders, account selection, and positions. If you don't see it, it's likely minimized. Click once and it will slide up. Inside the trading panel, find Paper Trading, which is TradingView's built-in demo account, and click Connect. TradingView will load a simulated account balance, typically around 100,000 units of virtual funds, so you can start practicing immediately. If you already have a broker demo account you like, you can connect that instead. However, the native paper trading option is the fastest, easiest way to begin. Now let's place a simulated trade. You can do this directly from the chart by right-clicking at the price area you're interested in and choosing Add Order. Or use the Buy and Sell buttons on the chart or in the Order panel. Either method opens the same order panel where you set the details. Choose your order type. Market orders execute immediately at the current available price, which is ideal when speed matters more than exact price. Limit orders wait for the market to reach your chosen price, giving you control over where you enter. Stop orders trigger only when price hits your stop level, which is useful for entries that depend on momentum or breakouts. Before you send the order, glance at the quantity and price fields so the size matches your intention. Once you confirm, your simulated order appears on the chart and in the panel, updating with live data so you can observe how it would unfold in real conditions. Practice switching between order types and entry methods to build confidence. That's all you need to start paper trading in TradingView. Log in, open your chart, connect paper trading, and place your orders with the order type that fits your plan.